For years, bowling has been an extremely dominant sport in Saline. Today, we meet with a novice member of the team, Michael Talviti.
I chose to join the bowling team mainly because I saw how much fun my sister was having in it. My sister's also on the bowling team, has been for a while now. And I kind of was out of other sports I was doing, and I wanted something else to fill my free time. So I saw my sister in the bowling team and I was like, you know what, that sounds like it could be a lot of fun.
The success of the bowling team isn't just from skill alone. It also comes from the unity and togetherness of the team.
100% my teammates, and having them cheer me on and just spending that time with my fellow bowlers is just, it's so memorable.
To be a part of this special group takes little to no bowling experience. Anyone and everyone can be a part of the team.
I think if someone isn't already in an active sport, or if they are in a sport and they're thinking about quitting, I feel like they should join the bowling team regardless of what year you are in high school.
Even our most experienced and skilled bowlers contribute a lot of their success to the relationships they've made through the bowling team.
So it definitely gave me really close friends. Like, a lot of the reasons why I stayed for so long is because I made some of my closest friends. So it really brought that community to me and friendships I never thought I would have.
Izzy cares very deeply about keeping the spirit and culture of the team at a high level, even as her senior season is coming to a close.
The positivity and the group forming and friendship forming. So definitely not leaving behind a separated group of different cliques just in together the same team, but as friends, and really bring that friendship back.
If you want to come see Saline Bowling, come to Station 300 this Thursday, February 5th at 3 o'clock for an amazing show. I'm Andre Motsinger, back to you in the studio.